You can fly, but you can't get high all the time. Unless you got a real strong mind. You can't daydream all day. Unless you wanna fade away. Yes, I'm gone.
Get yourself an icky. Just go right in there behind the eyeballs. You'll feel this cavity sort of thing open up. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And then we'll go limp and respectable tuna. Pretty happy with him, but he's going to be very good sashimi, so I'm going to head back in now.
Gotta raise the bar for the big bad. So I gotta let you fly. You're doing alright. Yeah, I gotta set you free.
Righty guys, made it back to the boat ramp. With the tuna, we'll do some sashimi. I'll show you later on how to fillet that and make some really good sashimi. Have that for lunch or dinner or something like that. Still pretty early in the day, but yeah, it was super choppy out there, so I didn't want to stay for long. Happy we got ourselves some good eating fish, but yeah, we'll see you at the fillet table. Got our bag of ice already, so what we're going to do is just start stuffing that stomach there with ice. That really just cools that tuna down from the core. Right in the head. We'll lay it down with the rest of the ice. I've got another bag here. I'll fully break it open, but there we have it. Alrighty. I'll just chuck him on here.
You can fly.
Start off with the wasabi just in your bowl. Depends how much you like it, how much it goes up your nose. I like sort of that much, maybe a little bit more, just in there like that. Obviously the rest doesn't really matter, but just, yeah, whack a little bit of sweet soy in there. Not too much sesame oil, it is pretty strong. And then just bulk that up with that soy sauce. Give it a good little mix there till it's all in together. Might take a little bit to do. It's pretty simple. Let's do some healthy slices like that. Nothing too fancy, but it is absolutely delicious. You can see that sashimi there is really, really good quality. Get it in that dipping sauce. Let's have a taste test.